Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Friday to you guys. Friday is Fish Friday. I'm not going to be frying any fish today guys. I got me some canned pink salmon right here that I already deboned. And I'm going to be mixing this thing together, making me some patties and seeing how it comes out inside of my new air fryer. So I got me a couple eggs here, I got me some black pepper, onion powder, and seasoning salt. That's all I'm going to be putting inside of here today. And I would put some onions inside of here, but I didn't feel like going through the process of sauteing any onions because this isn't going to cook long enough for it to get nice and tender. So you have to saute it a little bit first so you don't have crunchy onions. So I just left that out today. Go ahead and get my 2 eggs inside of here and some black pepper. And I'll go ahead and get some of this onion powder in here. Alright, then I'm going to go ahead and get me some seasoning salt in here. Now normally I wouldn't add seasoning salt or any salt to my salmon patties because my regular brand of the regular brand of salmon has a pretty good salt content to it, so I don't ever feel the need to add any extra salt. But this is a off brand to me right here, so I go on ahead and add a little seasoning salt to it. This is also a little bit more wetter than my regular brand. This had more liquid in the can and less salmon. So I'm going to be using a little bit more flour than I normally would to bring this together and hold this together. But in any case, I'm going to go ahead and get that mixed in, my egg and my seasonings. Get my salmon all broken up. Alright, this looks good to go right here, so I'm going to come in and add some flour inside of here. You can add breadcrumbs if you would like. I'm going to add total about maybe about a 1/4 cup of flour all together. I'll put my regular salmon patty recipe inside the description of the video. You could just make it that same exact way, except just adding it to the air fryer instead of frying it on the stove. So that's just regular all-purpose flour guys. I'm gonna just go ahead and get that mixed in. That might seem like a lot of flour, but it really isn't. Alright, once I got that mixed in pretty good, it still felt a little loose for me. So what I'm going to do is come here and add a couple more tablespoons inside of here. Alright, so I'll get a couple more tablespoons mixed in. We'll get this thing ready to go inside our air fryer. All I'm going to do is put a little olive oil on my air fryer grate because I don't have any cooking spray. So I'll add a little olive oil to it, and then that should help it from sticking too much. And I'm just going to kind of form this in patties a little bit so you can kind of see that it's going to hold together. And that is what I'm looking for. Just like that. Alright, so I'll go ahead and get my air fryer ready, and then I'll make my patties and get these in. And this thing is going to be ready to air fry. Alright guys, so I got my air fryer ready here. I didn't have any baking spray that I could spray on my rack here, so I just rubbed it with a little bit of olive oil just so this doesn't really stick to it that much. And I'm just gonna come in here and set down one of my patties right here. I like nice size patties, guys. I don't like little small patties, little balls. I like for my, that didn't sound good, excuse me. I like for these things to have a nice little girth to it. Is that the right word? I think it is. But in any case, I'll just go ahead and form all of my patties right here and get these down on here. Then this thing is going to be ready to bake off. Alright, so that's number 2 right there. And I'll just go ahead and finish making these, and when I come back, we're going to get this show on the road, guys. Alright, and just like that, I am back. You see, I got 5 nice sized patties out of this. This was 2 cans, but they weren't full cans. They just had like maybe half of the can full with the salmon, and the other half was nothing but water. So, but in any case, we're gonna just slip that rack right there inside of there like that. And I'm gonna just slip my drip pan in there like that. Alright, close that door. We're gonna get this out of the way right here and bring the air fryer forward a little bit. Set the time on this. I'm gonna set it on the fish temperature, which was 350 for 10 minutes, but that's not long enough or hot enough, so I bumped it up to 375 for 20 minutes. And at 10 minutes, it'll alert me to come in here and give it a flip. And just like that, we're down to 9 minutes and some change. I'm gonna come in here and give it a nice flip with my spatula right here. And I was worried about this thing really sticking, guys, because I didn't have any kind of baking spray that I could really put on it. But it did have just a little stickers to it, but nothing major. Nothing that really altered the shape of my patties or anything. I'll just come in here and give it a little flip. And I had to really pull this rack out so I could get the rest of them flipped over. Alright, so that's the second one. And then these ones in the back, they flip over a little bit better. I find already that the back of this air fryer does get a little bit hotter than the front part. Alright, we're going to come in here, get this middle one flipped over, then get that last one flipped over. We're going to start that timer back. Let it finish cooking for this last 9 minutes and 50 seconds. And this bad boy should be done. Alright, we'll go ahead and slip that back in there. I had to end up moving one of them over. One of them was too close to the side and wanted to rip apart on me, so I'm coming here, slide them over a little bit. There we go. And we just got that back in there. Close the door. Once you close that door, it's going to automatically start back itself. Alright, let that go the rest of the way. Then I'm going to come back and this is going to be done, guys. Nice big air fried salmon patties. Everything was looking good. And just like that, countdown to the end of this thing. We're going to go ahead and get these bad boys out. Don't ask me why I don't use the hook that comes with it to pull this thing out. I just use whatever I have next to me. But these things are looking really good. I was really surprised when I first pulled them back, and Saw how they were looking nice, like salmon patty without all of that excess oil and stuff. Come in here and get that light back on. Then I have my plate right on the top of this. You can see how they loosened from this grate nice and good. Alright, so grab my plate up here and plate these bad boys up. And I took my thumbnails and my videos, which didn't take long, and these things were still piping hot, guys. And you're gonna be able to see how hot they were once I do the taste test. This is another air fryer meal that absolutely scorched my mouth. I'm taking it for the team, guys. So I'm eating this thing hot, and I gotta start letting this thing cool down some. Alright guys, but that is it. Some air fried salmon patties, salmon croquettes, whatever you want to call it. Look at that. Looks absolutely wonderful. Alright, so I'm going to be back with my taste test. Let you guys know how they turned out. Alright guys, coming on a quick taste test here. Got my oven fried salmon patties, salmon croquettes, however you guys want to pronounce it. Please excuse the noise in the background. This is a noisy house. This is a loud house. Okay guys. Any case, I'm not gonna waste any time. Got my fork right here, coming back with my fork again. I'm gonna get a piece of this thing. Let's get a piece of this big boy right here. Yeah, let's get a piece of that big boy right there. I don't understand why when people come to our house, that's when they feel they can be their absolute loudest. Okay, let's get a piece of that. Okay, that's still hot. That's still smoking hot. Let's see what it's going for. See if don't burn me too bad now. That chicken did me bad. Don't burn me too bad. That's hot. But that's good. Hot. Onion and bell pepper would have made that so much better, but that's still pretty good. Got a little ketchup on there. Yeah, I like my salmon patty with ketchup. Don't judge me. That onion and bell pepper would have made that so much better, even if I just added the onions. But that's still good. Little ketchup on it. Alright guys. It absolutely can be done. Oven fried salmon patties. That's good. Hot, but good. Alrighty guys, like I said, excuse that circus show in the background. Like Bonham and Bailey back there. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. And also subscribe to my channel if you are new. And you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I am going to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace. Have a blessed weekend, guys.